What's also been a matter of grave concern is the fact that so many people are now stepping out of their homes and throwing caution to the winds. Prime Minister Modi has now issued a second warning to COVIDiots. Expressing concern over images of crowding at hill stations, Prime Minister Modi has urged people to act responsibly so that the third COVID wave can be prevented.
Maskless tourists at Kempty Falls in Mussoorie throwing social distancing norms to the wind. Tourists flocking to the hills without any precautions. As the pandemic revenge travel continues unabated, Prime Minister Narendra Modi issued yet another warning to COVIDiots. His second in less than a week during his interaction with chief ministers from the northeast.
हिल स्टेशन में, मार्केट्स में बिना मास्क पहने, बिना प्रोटोकॉल का अमल किए बिना भारी भीड़ का उमड़ना मैं समझता हूं एक चिंता का विषय है, ठीक नहीं है। कभी-कभी लोग सवाल पूछते हैं तीसरी लहर की क्या तैयारी की है, तीसरी लहर के लिए आप क्या करेंगे। आज सवाल ये होना चाहिए हमारे मन में कि तीसरी लहर को आने से कैसे रोकना है।
With fears of a possible third wave looming large, Prime Minister's first big warning had come at the first cabinet meet on Thursday after the big reshuffle. The Prime Minister told his Council of Ministers that images of crowded places and people moving without masks is not a pleasant sight. He said there is a need to instill a sense of fear in people. Prime Minister Modi added, there should be no place for carelessness and complacency. A second mistake would have far-reaching consequences. The Prime Minister's warning comes even as thousands are heading to the hills to get some respite from the heat wave that is scorching North Indian plains.
मास्क सभी को लगाना चाहिए, डिस्टेंस रखना चाहिए, जितना कंट्रोल हो रहा है अब भगवान करे इस साल में ये बिल्कुल यहाँ से खत्म हो जाए।
काफ़ी टाइम बाद अभी घर से निकले हैं तो यहाँ देख रहे हैं, लेकिन क्राउड बहुत ज़्यादा है यहाँ पर।
बाहर निकले हैं, थोड़ा अपने आप को मन को एंजॉय करने के लिए निकले हैं, अभी थोड़ा रिलैक्स हो, लेकिन थोड़ा मन में डर भी है, कोरोना है, थोड़ा मतलब डिस्टेंस रखना चाहिए।
Though daily COVID cases have plummeted, there is no room to drop guard. But if COVIDiots don't mend their ways, we will be inviting a third wave. Bureau Report, India Today.